Hello and welcome back to another episode of The Zambian American. Muribwanji wonse, tikulandi landi na futi. I am so glad to be sharing with you some more Nyanja today. This episode of The Zambian American, we are talking about accommodation. Thanks so much for leaving your comments in the videos. I got a message this week, someone saying, you need to explain what Mwamvela means. Well, Mwamvela means, do you understand? So I'll be asking that to make sure you guys are tracking with me. Also, I want to give a shout out to Akayo. He had a great comment in one of the previous videos, and just want to let you know that will be an upcoming video, how to say, like, is someone around? So let's get right to it. Okay, the first phrase we're going to talk about is, do you have a room? Ma room yaliko. Ma room yaliko is, do you have a room? Now, if you want a room, you say, nifunako room. I want a room. Then you say, nifunako room. Then you say, for how many people? Nifunako room. Yogo namo muntu imozi. Yogo namo muntu imozi. Now, if you remember from our previous lesson, you'll remember that muntu is a person. Imozi is one. Okay? Muntu is like one person. Imozi, the one. Okay? Let's say, nifunako room. Yogo namo muntu imozi. Okay, I want a room for one person. But if you want a room for two people, nifunako room, yogo namo vantu vaviri. Make sure for it's vantu and vaviri. Okay? If you want to say how long you'll be staying, you say nizankala siku imozi. Okay? Nizankala, I'll be staying. Nizankala is, ni is the I, zankala is to stay. And then siku imozi is day one, like for one day. If you want to say you're staying for 2 days, you say nizankala masiku yambiri. Okay? Masiku yambiri. And then if you want to say you're staying for 1 week, you say nizankala wiki imozi. Week is just the English, and then imozi for one. Now, if you want to know how much your room is going to be, you say room nizingati. Nizingati. Zingati is like saying how much. Nizingati is like how much will it be for me? Now, if you've said you've made a reservation, you say nasungiza malo. Nasungiza malo. I've made a reservation. Now, if you want to go and look and ask, please show me the room, you say tiene munilangezi rumi. Munilangezi room. Tiene mulangezi room. Okay, that is, let's go check out the room. Then, if you want to say, is there a bigger one? Kuliko ikuruko. Kuliko ikuruko. This is there a bigger one? Okay, kuliko ikuruko. Then, if you want to say, is there anywhere quieter? You say, kuli kwamene kuliko zi. Okay, Z is like quiet. Is there an air condition? Muri aircon. In Zambia, it's usually not said air condition. You just say aircon. Muri aircon. Is there air conditioning? And then, is there hot water? Kuli manzi yakupya. Kuli manzi. Manzi is water. Yakupya. Hot. Is there hot water? Then if you want to say, is there another hotel? You say, kuliko hotel inangu. Kuliko hotel inangu. Is there another hotel? Is breakfast included? Breakfast ilimo. Breakfasti irimo. I just added the E on the end of that, but that's just commonly how a lot of English words are spoken in Zambia. Then if you want to say, what time is breakfast? Breakfasti ibuera entawe buanji, which means basically, what time should I be coming for breakfast? Breakfast ibuela is to come. Entawe buanji is like what time? Okay? Then if you want to say, I'll take this one, you say, nizatenge. Nizatenge yamene. Like, I'll take this one. Nizatenge yamene. Then if someone's going to tell you your room number, they'll say, muri mu room ya number 2. Your room number is number 2. Then if you want to say, please help with my bags, you say, nitandizeni kunyamula mabagi. Nitandizeni is like to help. Kunyamula mabag, with my bags. Okay? Then if your bags, they're so heavy, they say, nichole ma, it's heavy. Say, nichole ma. Okay. Please send someone to clean the room. Tumaniko ni muntu wamene azikile nako room. Okay? Tumaniko ni muntu wamene azikile nako room. Okay? Please send someone to clean the room. Then if you want to say, is there somewhere I can wash my clothes? You say, kuliko kwamene ningawashire vovara vanga. Okay, vovara is clothes. Vanga is like my clothes. Vovara vanga. Kuliko. So I'll start again. Kuliko kwamene ningawashire vovara vanga. Okay? Is there somewhere that I can wash my clothes? Now, if you want to say, is there someone who can wash my clothes? You'll just say, kuliko wamene angawashireko vovara vanga. Okay? Kuliko wamene angani washileko vovaravanga. Then if you want to say, I want to check out, you say, nifuna kuchoka mu hotel. Nifuna kuchoka is like I want to go to leave my hotel. Okay? Then if you want to say, please call me a taxi, you say, ni itanile nikoni taxi. Okay, I'll say that again. Ni itanile nikoni taxi. Please call me a taxi. Now, if you want to say, please find me a taxi, you say, nisa kilileni koni taxi. I'll say that slowly. Nisa kilileni koni taxi. You have to really, if you're seeing that word, please read it slowly. Nisa kilileni koni taxi. Please find me a taxi. Make sure to comment below and subscribe to the channel. The next section we're going to be talking about is shopping and things to buy and the maketi. Dizaunana.